Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to send files with WeTransfer in 2026. Whether you want to share documents, photos, videos, or other large files, WeTransfer makes the process quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official WeTransfer website. If you have an account, sign in to access your dashboard. You can also use the free version if you don't need advanced features. Once you're on the upload page, click the *add files * button, browse your computer, and select the files or folders you want to send. You can upload documents, images, videos, presentations, and many other file types. Wait a few moments while your files are prepared for upload. Next, choose how you want to share your files. You can send them directly by entering the recipient's email address along with your own email address, or you can create a transfer link that you can copy and share through messaging apps. Social media or email. If you're sending by email, you can also add a subject and a short message. After everything is ready, click the * transfer * button. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, the upload may take a few minutes to complete. Once the upload is finished, WeTransfer will either send an email notification to your recipient or generate a shareable download link. Simply copy the link if you selected that option and send it to anyone you want. If you experience upload problems, check your internet connection, make sure your files aren't corrupted, and ensure you're within the file size limits of your WeTransfer plan. And that's how you can send files with WeTransfer in 2026.